Hello. Hello. Yeah, this is your host, Rohit, and I welcome all my leaders here on the platform of iTron World. iTron World is basically a world-class business opportunity, a business plan working on Tron smart contract, 100% decentralized matrix, the details of which you can find on www.itronworld.live. So basically, it's a smart contract based on Tron's platform. It's a Tron's perfect matched verified smart contract. So let me tell you about Tron first before we start. Tron is basically a crypto assert, a cryptocurrency, which has been launched by Justin Sun, its founder, its CEO, in September 2017, with a volume of 1 trillion in totality. The current circulating volume is around 72.2 billion. If you look at coin market cap, Tron is placed in top 25 crypto out of 9,800, which is residing on coin market cap. If you talk about current price, it is around 7 cents. It is estimated that by 2025, the price would be around $2,000. The way it's been going, the platform of Tron is getting popular day by day. The reason behind that is they've been updating the platform every now and then. There are a few points which I have listed out here, out of which the first point is security, a very secure network, the blockchain based. They have their own blockchain, TRC10, TRC20, and TRC721. A very secured platform which has never been hacked till date. Apart from that, a very nominal or negligible fees, that's why it's low transaction fees. Most of the exchanges you will be finding TRC20 network, wherein whenever you will be doing a transaction or you will be withdrawing your funds, a very, very nominal fees will be charged. Unlike on Ethereum's blockchain, which is ERC20, where you'll be charged $20 to $50. After that, there's one more point, which is high speed. The speed of Tron's blockchain is 2,000 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's, which is 25 transactions per second, and Bitcoin, which is only 5 to 6 transactions per second. So very high speed. It's almost like 3 blocks per second. Tron is having their own blockchain, which is TRC10, TRC20, and dedicated blockchain for NFTs, which is TRC721. It's a 100% decentralized platform. That's the reason you find most of the projects working on Tron's platform, like Poloniex, which is a decentralized exchange, DEX. DeFi's like JustSwap, JustLand, Sun.io. There are certain tokens, which is TRC10 tokens like BTT, Link, and many more platforms to talk about. They are purely 100% decentralized. All of them will be having encrypted transactions for your privacy and security. Now let's talk about the uniqueness and strength of iTron World. What makes it very special? What makes it very unique? The very first point which comes to your mind, comes to everybody's mind, is verified smart contract, which has been audited by Tron Foundation on perfect match. That's the trust building factor. Any platform which is having such a possibility, because there are only 2% of the total smart contracts which is been verified on perfect match, that too by Tron Foundation. That's only 2%. All the matrices, like there are 3 metrics basically in the smart contract, and all the 3 are 100% decentralized. Peer-to-peer transaction happen on all the 3 matrices. Apart from that, there's been used of SSL certification, the protocol which calls HTTPS. It has been utilized here so that the data cannot be leaked or altered. The transactions are 100% peer-to-peer, wallet-to-wallet, person-to-person. You'll be finding only registered users can have transaction in this Tron smart contract. It's completely 100% decentralized, 100% transparent. There is no admin, no owner here, because this is Tron smart contract. Fully automated. There is no admin, no owner, no central body to own this. Everybody who's been registered on this platform have equal rights. A lot of transparency here, because you'll find everything, every minute detail on tronscan.io. A low investment business opportunity. It's a community building platform basically. So you start with only 225 Trons, a very low investment with a potential earning in millions of Trons. Almost 100 million Trons you'll be finding in main matrix itself. There are 3 matrices basically, wherein like first main matrix is a working matrix where you have 10 levels. You start with 125 and earn more than 100 million Trons. Second matrix is universal spin matrix, and third one is trinary matrix, which are global matrix. Now let me brief you on the plan. Plan is basically divided in 3 matrices. 3 matrix are as follow. Like first one is 2 by 2 binarical matrix, which is for 10 levels. Second one is a cyclic matrix, which we call it as universal spin matrix. And the third one is global trinary matrix, which is not only a global pool, but also it's auto upgradable. System follows top to bottom, left to right, autofill, auto spill mechanism. And the business plan starts with an amount of 225 TRX. In addition to that, you have to put additional 25 TRX in your wallet, which will be consumed as bandwidth and energy. We call it as gas fees. The reason why we have to put 25 TRX additional, so that you can register properly without any interference. You can use any Tron wallet like Clever, Token Pocket, or TronLink Pro. Either of the 3, any of these 3. You register with 225 TRX. It gets auto split here for 125 and 100 TRX. out of which the 125 TRX will place you in main matrix 1. Main matrix 1, we call it as M1. In actuality, this amount goes to your sponsor on immediate basis, because this is P2P transaction. It follows P2P transaction. So immediate, on the spot, the moment it gets split, 125 TRX goes to your upline, sponsor, sorry, and 100 TRX which place you in spin matrix 1, universal spin matrix. This amount basically place you in spin matrix 1, but in actuality this amount goes to your placement upline. So now we talk about main matrix. Main matrix is a table of 1 to 10 level. It starts with M1 and it goes up to M10. It's a 10 level structure where your team goes in 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 fashion. Your team get joined under you in this fashion, 2, 4, 8, 16. If you talk about level 1, you will be getting a direct referral, because in main matrix what happens is on every direct referral you will be getting 125 TRX as your income in the wallet. So basically, on every direct referral, you will be getting 125 TRX. There is no limit to it. The number of referral you will be doing, let it be 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, any numbers you can do. On every direct referral, you will be getting 125 TRX, 100% amount in your wallet, because you joined here in 125 TRX. So 100% income you're getting here in the form of 125 TRX on every direct referral. Not only that, you're getting every time 125 TRX, but your team is also getting listed under you in the fashion of 2, 4, 16, 32. Now when you have minimum requirement of the system is that you should and must join at least 2 people, so that you don't have to make any more investment. You started with 225, 125 goes into M1 main matrix. 2 people, if you're joining here, you're getting, your turnover is getting to 250. You are getting eligible to level 2. When you upgrade with the amount of 200 TRX, you goes to level 2, and the team which is being made by 4 people under you, either made directly referred by you, or the people who are being joined by you, the 2 people. In either case, you will be getting 640 TRX as 80% upline income and 160 TRX as sponsor income. Basically, every time the person upgrade with 200 TRX out of these 4, or you can say all the 4 people need to upgrade with 200 TRX, and because you already have done so, this amount is again getting distributed in 100% in the ratio of 20% to the sponsor and 80% to the placement upline. And because these 4 people are your placement downline, a second level placement, so that's the reason you're getting 80% of the upgrade amount, 640 TRX, and 20% goes to the sponsor. It could be you, because you must have directly referred them, or it could be the two people who you directly referred. In either case, you have achieved 640, you have earned 640 TRX as well as 160 TRX if you have referred all the four. Now let's go to the level 3. The level 3 has been created by 8 people under the 4. And here when you are doing 500 TRX upgrade, you will be getting 3,200 as a placement applying income in your wallet. 80% of 500 drawn multiplied by 8 people. For a single upgrade of 500, you're getting income from 8 people, which is 3,200 TRX. Out of which 800 will go to the sponsor. Similar fashion, you'll be getting level 4, where 16 people will be giving you 9,600 as placement income. Level 5 will be giving you 46,080 drawn in your wallet as placement applying income. And level 6, where 64 people will be giving you income of 2,04,800 TRX. And the friends, on level 7, this is the particular level where you'll be getting a millionaire. 128 people will be upgrading with 10,000 TRX. And you will be getting 80% of that, that is 10,24,000 TRX in your wallet as a placement applying income. This is called as referral income. And this is the level where you actually become a proper millionaire. So everybody who's entering in our system should and must reach this level 7 of 128 people. At level 8, you will be getting 256 people joining at that particular level. Level 9 will be having 512, and level 10 will be having 1,024 people at that particular level. And single upgrade of 75,000 done by you will fetch you 6 crores 14,40,000 drawn. And if we add up all these income which is being earned by you till now, this will be amounting to 103 millions, or you can say 10 crores drawn. One more thing which you need to notice here is that at level M2, level 2 of this main matrix, you are getting opened window to global matrix, a magical matrix wherein you will be investing with only 300 drawns, and you will be eligible to get on definite basis that you will be getting 13 lakhs drawns here. Similarly, you'll be opening spin matrix 2 also, which will be fetching you 300 drawns every time you get rejoined. It's a cyclic matrix. Now let us understand how the positioning will be happening here. Because system follow top to bottom, you will be finding first person will be joined on your left and second on the right. Because system follows top to bottom, left to right mechanism. So first person gives you 125, second person gives you 125 again, 250 TRX in your wallet as an income, and level 1 is already created. You are eligible for second level now, and you upgrade with 200 TRX. At second level, you will be finding 4 people here, and these 4 people will be fetching you 160 TRX into 4. 640 TRX as an placement applying income, and 160 TRX as sponsor income. In a similar fashion, you will be finding on third level This is first, second, and third level. You will be finding 8 people here, and these 8 people basically will be giving you a placement upline income 400 into 8 TRX and 3200 TRX in totality. And under that, you'll be finding 16 people. Those people will be at level 4. And similarly, you'll be having 10th level. And on the 10th level, you'll be finding 1024 people. A total team of 2048 people under you. Now we understand how the spin matrix works. The universal spin matrix, wherein you get entered by 100 Tron by the system on auto split basis. You get placed here automatically in the spin matrix 1. This amount goes to your placement upline, the 100 TRX. The moment the person automatically gets placed by the system under you, the very first person will be giving you 100 TRX in your wallet. And the second person, when he is joining on your right, will be actually rejoining you under that first person, and this 100 TRX will go to that first person. So this will go again and again. This will become a cycle basically, and you are getting rejoined again and again, and before getting rejoined, you're getting 100 TRX in your wallet every time you're getting rejoined. So this thing goes on for unlimited times, multiple times. You get 100 TRX, and there is no limit to it. Similarly, you will be opening level 2 also here, where you have to invest 300 TRX, and you will be getting 300 TRX on cyclic basis. Every time you are getting rejoined, you will be getting 300 Trons in your wallet. And same fashion, you will be getting 500 TRX multiple times. So this way you have opened parallelly 3 matrices, and all the 3 will be giving you income. Now let me give an example to you. If a team has, we have 100 people in our system. So out of 100 people, minimum 50 people will be getting 100 TRX at least once. 25 people will be getting for twice. 12 people will be getting for at least 3 times. 6 people will be getting it for 4 times. 3 people will be getting it for 5 times, and 1 person will be getting it for 6 times. So 100 Tron in 6 times. The possibility within the team of 100 people is unlimited here. You can understand what will be the potential of this universal spin matrix. Now we'll go to global trinary matrix, and we'll try to understand this. Global matrix is basically a 3x3 7 level auto global pool, where you not only getting joined automatically by the system, everybody is getting placed here automatically, but also that you will be getting upgraded to automatically. So you are entering after upgrading level 2 in main matrix to G1 with a 300 Tron. On the very first level, you will be earning 2100 TRX, out of which 1200 TRX goes to your wallet, and 900 TRX will go to Global 2 with an auto upgrade feature. Level 2 will be giving you an earning of 6300 Trons in totality. 3600 will go to your wallet. 2700 will rest you in level 3. If you add up all this income which you're getting here, regularly getting auto upgraded, it is almost like 13,11,600 TRX in totality. Here you are getting upgraded from G1, G2, G3 to G7 on automatic basis. You also have a choice to enter Global 2 with 900 TRX investment after upgrading level 3. Similarly, you can upgrade to level 3 also, Global Matrix 3, after upgrading to level 4 in main matrix with a 2700. This way you will be having multiple position in global matrix, so that you will be earning 13 lakhs for so many times, the number of times you enter here with different positions. But also you will be getting a position which is much ahead of all the other people who are in global 1 matrix, because you're getting directly entered to G4 with 8100, because you're getting entered to G6 with 72900. Now we can understand how the placement, because this is P2P, completely P2P. So first person, you're getting placed automatic by system. Under that, 3 more people will be placed, and after that 9 more. So total team of 12 people under you will fill this first level. In fact, all the levels will be having 12 people only, which will be placed automatically by the system. It's a completely P2P transactions will be happening here, no holding here. The moment the first person enter, the 300 Tron goes to your placement upline. The second person enter here, the wallet will be getting income in your wallet as 300 TRX. And the next level upgrade will be happening with the 300 Tron, which will be given by the third person here. The next 9 people who will be entering here will be giving the similar fashion to the placement upline 900 in the ratio of, in the amount of 300, denomination of 300 Trons, and next 3 in the wallet income, and next 3 will give you 900 Tron and make you enter to global 2. Similarly, in global 2, you will be getting in 900, in the denomination of 900, you will be getting income in your wallet. The total income you will be earned in your wallet will be 3,600. In the similar fashion, you will be completing 7 matrices and you will be earning more than 13 lakhs 11,600 Trons in your wallet. Now let's understand the terms and condition of the system, the requirement of the system. The very first condition is that entry to the system is by 225 TRX all the time, every time. The system follows top to bottom, left to right, autofill, auto spill mechanism. That's why wherever the gaps are there, it will be auto-filled, auto-spilled. Entry to the global matrix is possible only by upgrading level 2. That's the major condition, because everybody wants to enter global matrix and non-matrix matrix. So you need to upgrade to level 2 in the main matrix and enter global. Once you have entered global matrix 1, you can come out, you can exit at global 7 after completing all the levels one by one and getting an earning from there. You can have a different position, as I already told you, by completing the parallel matrix in the main matrix. And there's one more important condition here. The business plan will be having a validity of 365 days. After 365 days, you have to reactivate with 50 TRX. And this 50 TRX basically will be distributed equally in pi upper line. That does mean that you will be getting the 50 TRX in the denomination of 10 TRX from your downline also, the pi downline. So basically this is again, because this is community building platform, so there is no fees has been deducted. This is basically a reactivation amount which is getting distributed into the community. And the last important condition is that you have to maintain your levels. You have to keep yourself at least one level higher than your downline, so that the level income will be generated into your wallet only, instead of it is getting skipped to the third person. In example, if if your team or your people are at level 2, the most of the people in your team are at level 2, then you have to maintain at level 3 so that the level income which will be generated by someone who is upgrading to level 3 from level 2, the income goes to your wallet only, being placement upline, instead of, if you have not done, you have not upgraded, it will skip 3 level and it goes to the third person. The choice is entirely yours because you have done the hard work, so you must earn this money, and that's the reason this amount should go to you. So I thank you one and all, and this is the basic plan which we have. If you can contact me or you can contact your upper line, your referrer, if you have any doubt. I thank you very much to hear me so patiently. Thank you.